Hello all, welcome to the video. Today we are going to discuss what is software development lifecycle. To begin with, let us understand what is a software. Software is a list of instructions or programs that is used by computers to perform different tasks. This is different from hardware, which is about the physical aspects of a computer. Let us take an example to understand the difference between hardware and software. Suppose I buy a new laptop today from Amazon. It is a hardware device. I'm able to use it readily only because the Windows operating system software is installed in it. Let us take another example. We may be very familiar with Microsoft Office like Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Word. All these are softwares. Now let us move into our main topic, which is software development lifecycle.
As the name indicates, it is a sequence of steps that is involved in the development of software. The first step is requirements analysis. It is in this step the question is answered on what should the software achieve. Let us take an example. This is the Google homepage that we are all familiar with. Now, I am making a slight adjustment to the UI of this homepage, as you can see here. I have brought the Gmail and the images icon to the top left corner from the top right corner. This UI is perfectly fine. If you click on these icons, still the existing functionality can work fine. Is it that in the Google homepage that we are all familiar with, the Gmail and images icon is at the top right corner? It is because the requirements may have been to have the Gmail and images icon at the top right corner. This is just an example. Similarly, in any software project, whenever we are developing a software, there can be hundreds of requirements. So all these requirements is what is being finalized as part of the requirements analysis. The second phase is design. It is in this phase the question is answered on how this can be achieved. That is, how the requirements can be achieved. It is in the design phase during which it is decided on what are the technologies to be used to cater to the requirements and build the software. Moving on to the development phase, which is the third phase in the software development lifecycle. It is in this phase that the actual process of developing the software takes place in such a way that it is aligned to the design and meets the requirements that has been agreed in the previous steps. So now one may think, once the development of the software is done, isn't the SDLC completed? No, there are two more steps that is involved, and let me explain the reason for that. Let us go back to the same example of Google homepage. It is used by millions of customers around the world. Even a slight change will impact all these customers. So it is important that whatever changes we are making or whatever new features we are bringing in to that page should be thoroughly tested and ensure that it is working as per expectation and none of the existing functionalities are broken. This is the reason for testing phase. It is in the testing phase that it is confirmed that the developed software meets the requirements. Now let's move on to the final phase, which is deployment. And it is in this phase that the developed and tested software is made available to the end users. And then the cycle repeats.
I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Please do share your feedback in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching.